Hello everyone, my name is Spursh and welcome back in another video on Just Tech YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you a new tool to do iCloud activation lock bypass very easily in just a single click. I will show you the complete steps, how to download it, how to use the tool, everything will be seen in this video. So hit the like button, and if you're new here, subscribe to my channel. So without wasting time, let's get started. And this tool comes from the wootechie.com and the bypass tool name is iSalver. You can bypass iCloud activation lock from iPhone, iPad or iPod Touch very easily. Let's first see some more information of this tool, and all the links are in description. You can check there for complete information and direct links to download this tool. Sometimes we bought a second-hand phone or we buy a locked devices by mistake and we don't have any option to open it, or we don't have any access to recovery option anymore. So you can use the iSalver tool to get your device bypassed. It looks so easy and clean tool to bypass in single click. First you have to connect your device and then jailbreak it, and then just bypass your device. This tool is available for both Windows and Mac OS, so you can download this tool free from the description direct links. Okay, so after download the tool from the description, just install it. After that, just click on start now. So here is the wootechie iSalver bypass iCloud activation lock tool. So on the tool you will see some information regarding this bypass tool, so you can follow that. So the first thing you have to do before bypass is to jailbreak your device with the Checkra1n jailbreak. So first we have to jailbreak our device and then we will move further to the bypass. And I've already made so many videos on Checkra1n jailbreak, like how to jailbreak your device on your Windows machine, Mac OS and Linux. So you can follow that videos. All video links are in description. So first we will jailbreak our device. So you can download this Checkra1n ISO file from the description link. And the Checkra1n jailbreak support iOS 12.2 to the latest 13.6.1, and iPhone 5s to iPhone X models are supported, and some iPad models are also supported. So you can watch my Checkra1n jailbreak video for complete details of the supported device. So first we will make the USB bootable from the Rufus software, and then we will jailbreak our device. So just open the Rufus software, insert your USB stick and import the ISO file of Checkra1n, and then make the USB bootable. Now the USB bootable process is completed. Now just close the Rufus and close this tool and restart your PC. Now just go to your BIOS menu and select the USB stick. After that, Checkra1n 13.6.1 latest version loader will be pop up, and it will automatically load the Checkra1n. You can jailbreak iOS 12.2 to 13.6.1. So for the latest version like 13.6, 13.6.1 and 13.5.1, you have to allow the untested option from the Checkra1n app. So first I will jailbreak my iOS 13.6.1 device. So just connect it, allow the first option and just start the process. After that, follow the instruction on the screen. First you have to put your device into recovery mode, and then you have to follow the instruction on the screen to put your device into DFU mode. Now my device will start jailbreaking. So after that, all done means your device is jailbroken. Now I will jailbreak my 12.4.8 iOS version device. So as you can see, now it's both working and both the devices jailbroken now. Now I will restart my PC and go back to a Windows machine to move further to the bypass process. Now I am back on my Windows machine. Just open the wootechie iSalver tool and click on start. After that, connect your device. Now you will prompt your iTunes will be automatically closed. Just click on start. After that, you will get your device details and then start bypass, and it will automatically bypass your device. Now it just take 5 to 10 seconds to bypass my device. It's a good thing. Now my device is unlocked now. Now you can see the device is working properly like a normal device. So everything is working properly. Now let me just open the camera, and camera is also working. So this is how you can bypass the device. Now I will bypass the another device that are running on latest iOS 13.6.1. So it's the same process. You have to connect your device. Now as you can see, the bypass is done. Now just activate your device and it's bypassed now. So everything is working perfectly. So this is how you can use this tool and bypass your iCloud activation lock very easily on Windows and Mac OS both. So you can check out the all buying option if you like this tool. I will all give the link in the description. You can check out from there. So that's all for today. I hope you like this video. If yes, then hit the like button. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel for more cool updates. So till then, goodbye, take care and peace out.